In this video, I'll show you how to add a mask to a layer in Photoshop. It could be any image. This one was created using the materials palette. So let's just go to that. I'm going to start with this gradient. The gradient I'm going to add a texture to. And the texture is from here, the materials. So here's the materials. You can find that in the window menu and materials. A really good one, this one, circles. But there's hundreds and hundreds of them. You can also download additional ones as well as create your own. So double click, and this will add a layer. It's a special kind of layer which you can then modify. Here's the layer. So you've got materials and you can tweak these settings. I'm just going to go with the default. So make certain you select this layer, then go to select and select all. Then go to edit and copy. And this could be any image. I'm just using materials, but it could be any Photoshop image you've got. Once you've got that, then just simply deselect that. I don't need it anymore. What I need to do is use this. This is the original image that I want to apply the mask to. So go here to layer and layer mask and reveal all. So with reveal all, you've now got that. And you can see you get this at the side. What you need to do now is hold down the Alt or Option key on your keyboard. Alt or Option, that's the key thing. So just go over here, hold that down, and then click here. And then you can edit the mask. And now also what you can do, you can go over here to Edit, and you can paste. And it will paste in that mask. So paste, and you can see it here. This is the mask for that one. Now I can go back to this and you can see the result. Now that's not great. It's not exactly what I want. Or what you can also do is you can duplicate this. So this here, I'm just going to duplicate this layer. So with it selected, then go to layer and duplicate layer. So I've just duplicated it. So click OK. And what I've got this, but with the mask. Now I don't want the mask in this one. The lower one, so I'm just going to select this. Make certain I select that. That's the mask, and go down to the delete. So click there, delete, yes. Now at this point you think, well, that's great. Nothing can be seen now. Well, because I haven't had any addition to it. What I can now do is I can go down here to effects. I'm just going to click here, and I'm going to go for bevel and emboss. Bevel and emboss, you end up with that. You end up with this lovely beveled effect very quickly, and you can vary it. So you can just move this around, just tweak it, do that. You can also change the depth, and you can of course vary it in numerous ways, and you can change the size there. I'm just quickly changing that. And there's a lot of different settings you can do with this bevel and emboss, and also you can use some of these as well. Okay, once you've done that, you can click OK. What you can also do is with this one, you can select this one again, make certain the mask is selected. You can invert it, and sometimes the result looks better personally. So image, adjustments, and invert, and you get that. And you can see now you've got a really interesting sort of depth image just with that gradient. But what you can also do is apply effects to it. As long as you've got this selected, this needs to be set, not this, the mask. So you can go to filter. Now not all of the mask, all the filters are available. So you just go down here, and I'm going to go with wave, and you can find that in distort and wave. And in there you can see a load of options. Number of generators I put to 1. I always default it to 1. And then you can modify the amplitude, and you can see then that will change there. And you can randomize it, so you can click there and get different effects. And I'm going to go with that one. And then sign and click OK. And then you get that. If you don't like it, undo. Then again, go to filter and again, distort and wave. Maybe click randomize again and maybe modify these other settings. And again, click OK. And you get that result very quickly in Photoshop. So that's how you can quickly add an image and use that as a mask, and also combine it with layer effects such as this to create a very interesting three-dimensional design very, very quickly in Photoshop. Now this is for PC or Mac. If you've got any questions, please let me know in the comments below. It's always great to hear from you. A like or dislike, always appreciated as well. And also please subscribe to the channel. Bye.